they really are, like, I feel perfectly, I can see everyone, like, it really is. I honestly, kind of, when I was getting my license when I was 16, I was kind of like, why did I...
The address where the subject was seen.
I can see very, very well. I very much, yes, I waited a long time and I was like, I feel completely fine. No, you're all good. Go for it. I'm sorry about this again. And I know you guys are just getting shocked. Because I get it. I get people come in here and go, is this a small? I'm like, yeah, sorry. I don't make clothes.
So this is Light Cop. This is Light Cop doing the administering the tests over here. This is the same cop that got the award for arresting the most people. This is the same cop that I have 2 active complaints against because he's an asshole, basically. His name's Officer Davidson, and he's a legit asshole. Whoa, that horn's obstructing. Someone tell that horn it's obstructing this. Someone arrest that horn. That car that drove by was obstructing. Did you see that? It was distracting. Someone arrest that car that drove by. It was obstructing and delaying. I have the right to speak freely.
I've already explained it to you.
I have the right to speak freely, Sandoval.
If you intervene with the investigation, you will get cited for 148. Please respect that.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Quiet, car. Quiet down, car. Googly eyes in the house. I think it was over. Yeah, so she's getting arrested.
Sam 7 copy.
Sam 7 copy.
Yeah.
Tell herself and BB.
Alright, have fun in jail. Turn around, put your hands behind your back now. Oh.
Units on green continuing. Vehicle, the black and green motorcycle was being plus on campus.
I never said they should arrest her either. She didn't hear me right. I never even said that.
Drivers,
She misheard me. Whoa, that horn's obstructing. Someone tell that horn it's obstructing this. Someone arrest that horn. I was talking shit to the cops.
Go to jail for a couple hours and then we'll be out.
I know I wouldn't get a phone call. That's for sure, dude. It depends on if they like you or not, if you get to call people and have your car towed. So if they like you, you're good. It's that whole discretion thing, you know?
The fucking bitch who will not stop recording. So they're being really
Don't get mad because you're drunk and driving. Shit. Go to jail. Sober up. Hey, if you don't want to be on camera, don't do dumb shit. That's all I'm saying.